Morning guys, we're going to make brekkie. Miss Kymmy's chilling out. Right, so what are we going to cook today for Miss Kymmy? Okay, so this we've got some eggs. Alright, so I'm going to do, scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs a la Gabby. So we have 4 eggs. I could do more if I want. This is so bad for you. Like, because it's just bad for you. People say eggs are good, but no. I had to make mine with cream. Cream, my friends. Cream. Cream. Now, we need a bit of, we need to be pepper. Pepper. Just a little bit. Kymmy don't like a lot of pepper, so we don't do a lot of pepper. Because otherwise, she won't like it. And it's cooking for Kymmy. So we've got to do it so she likes it. Now the good thing about this is it is very simple. Now I probably could put a touch of water in, or it's a bit more milk, but I'm not gonna. Let's rinse them. You start on slow, rinse them quicker, but it throws water fucking everywhere. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So the other good thing is you can cook this after you've done it in a bloody saucepan. In a saucepan, I tell you. That's pretty cool. That'll take a minute to heat up. In the meantime, we have some tomatoes to go on there. We're going to cut up some mushies. We're going to grab the wooden spoon to stir this. Oh, look at the bits of pepper in there. That'll take a bit. Alright, so what have we got now? Bacon. 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 So I'm going to put this, a couple of these, on here. Oops. You don't know what you're doing. You're crazy. It's good. I know what I'm doing. See, and some tomato. Let's get him down here so we can fit another piece of bacon on there. I think I've got 4 pieces, like 2 each. Big brekkie. But, I mean, Kymmy doesn't eat a lot, you know. So occasionally, we've got to do something yummy. And it's going to be yummy. Spoon again. Start stirring our scrambled egg. Oh, it's smelling great in here already. I wonder what Kymmy's doing. What you doing, Kymmy? Alright, she's getting dressed. Okay, where's my big sharp knife? What are you doing with your life, McDermott? There it is. So we need to cut up some of these. Now we get our little saucepan out, little fry pan out for these. And we'll butter and probably garlic. I have more pepper, like if I'm doing it, but we'll see. They might just go in the big frying pan. And it's starting to, see it's starting to congeal now. I see little bits of black pepper in there. Yeah. It's looking pretty good. Oops. And I made a mess because, well, it's me, innit? Kymmy probably spends as much time cleaning up after me as I do cooking. I remember my dad, he used to come home drunk from the pub. I'd be asleep and Mum would be asleep probably as well. And he used to cook, and God, the mess he used to make. My dad was Edinburgh Scottish, and whenever he got drunk with his Scot mates, he'd come back and think he could make fucking haggis or, you know, be cooking up black pudding and, you know, all the Scottish delights. Because that's what he did. Oh, yeah, it's just, see, it's starting to thicken. You gotta keep stirring though. Keep stirring. So you want to get it just on boiling, because you want to boil off some of the water. But as this is cream, there won't be a lot. Like in it. Scrambled egg.
Oh, nuts.
You smell pretty.
Thank you.
So's it's cooking.
Yeah, it does. It smells really good.
Kymmy says hello.
Hi. You want sauce or anything for your...
Yeah, put all the shit out on the table. It'll be good, yeah. Look at that. See how steam's starting to rise on that? Alright, that's enough. Oops, sorry, done. So I'm gonna put that on. Alright, that will have to be done. I'll put that back on just before we finish. But let's get this underway here now. Butter. I need some butter. Well, I think I've got enough left of this one. So I've got a bit of a plan here. So I'm going to throw a bit of butter in this, right? Because I want what's left over. I'm going to do like fried bread, fried toast, instead of like normal stuff. Somebody's not put my tongs back in the tong drawer. That'd probably be me. Honey, you've been putting the tongs in the tong drawer?
No, you don't like to do that.
You know, everybody's got one of these drawers, haven't they? Like, hey, when's the last time I made a fucking pizza?
Find it?
No, my whole world's falling apart. I found them. They're where they should be. Rightio. She always says rightio to me. They're in the open the eye section, yes. That's what you say to your mates at your school, isn't it? Yep. To the children. So, you were telling me they threw eggs at your car?
No, ice cream.
Ice cream.
Oh, them little devils.
Bloody ice cream's out of car, eh? How are these going?
So if I'd turned the windscreen wiper on, I would have had ice cream everywhere.
You would have. You're too clever for that sort of carry on. Oh, yeah. It's not real hot. I don't know why, but it's not. I'm going to throw these in here. It's not going to be as hot as normal. Might just be me, but I'm going to spread this out because I want this cooked quite well. What? No, I didn't really notice. That's on there, that's on there. Now we want some, what about, they can go. We want some bread. 4 pieces. You don't need much on this because when I put it in the pan, it's got all that butter in from before. So I'm just going to do this one side because when I put it in the other side, turn it over, when I lay them flat down, well, it's going to get all the butter from the other side. So I just need to do the one side because you want both sides of your French toast buttered. French toast can also have egg in it, but we got eggs, so we don't need to worry about that. And I just add the butter. There you go, that's looking better. Yep, we're happy with that. Now I wanted a bit of, where's my garlic? It's ginger. Here it is. Oh, not much left. Yeah, that'll do. Oh, I can open it. I just do that. Bit of garlic. Bin. See what I mean? That's dried up a bit now. What's that taste like? Needs salt. Where's the salt? You got the salt out there, babe? Can I have that for a second? Oh, no, actually, don't worry about it. See, they look pretty good, don't they? Hey? Mmm. Oops. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? They can come off. It's getting too soft otherwise. Okay, I'm going to put a lid on that again. Just get that screaming along nicely. How are these going? Good. Alright, I want that cooked so I can put in the bread. So what am I going to do? Is this what I'm going to do? Yep, this is what I'm going to do. Smells good. What a big, huge, bloody breakfast, eh? We are fat pigs. Well, I am. But what are you going to do with your life, eh? See, that one go there, that one go there. Miss Jenny's already at uni. That heard a little beep beep in the background. We got the app on the phone, like, so we both know where each other are. She's already sent me a to-do list. There's Miss Jenny. Alright, that is coming along so nicely. Should we drop this down just for a sec? We might do that. Oh, we're looking good. Have you got knives and forks out, babe? Alright, so we're just waiting on me. How long is this taking? Ooh. It's like 15 minutes. Can't even see. Well, it's not bad. From go to woe. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my God. What's wrong with us, eh, guys? Let's get this out, eh? Ooh. That's gonna be so good. So good. Okay, let's try this. Water. This goes back on just for a minute. Turn it down. Oh. Oh. Yep, that's done. Water on that. Off. Okay. What is so yum. Voila. Voila. This is breakfast. Have I turned that off? Nope. Look at me. Even turning shit off. Ho, ho, ho. And here we go, my lovely lady.
Oh, thank you, my love. Looks great. Oh, wow.
I know it's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
I know it's a lot. So that's cooking for Kymmy. And we're going to watch our Vegas mat in the morning. And we'll see you on the next... Actually, no. We're going to unpack...
The car.
Yeah, we haven't unpacked the car from me and Scooby. We went curbside, the trailer, all that. So we can do that. Kymmy will probably pick a few things out for herself. For home. No? She tells stories. All right, we'll see you on the next thing. Bye.
Bye.